welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a tour of my office and closet. Basically, yeah, it's a whole different room from where I film and keep my makeup. I keep that in an outdoor space that's like attached to our garage. I'll link that tour in that video below, but this is my office and I actually kind of wish I filmed in here a little bit more because I kind of dig this background. But this is my favorite room in my rental house and I just finished decorating it in the last month, honestly. And basically I will be moving at the end of the month, and that always happens. It happened with my last apartment. I finished decorating after 2.5 years and then we ended up moving. So I wanted to show you guys this space before I move because I really love it. It came together really nicely, and I think in my new space when I do move it might be a little bit different. So we'll get into that and I will update you guys on that room when I do move, but I wanted to share a tour of my office and give you guys some little ideas if you are decorating. I have a lot of items that are kind of newer and still in stock, and I'll link all the furniture, all the decor below. So yeah, let's go ahead and get right into this room tour. All right, so I'm starting off with one of my favorite Amazon home finds. This is my full-length mirror. This is where I take a bunch of my Instagram photos, shoot a lot of my get ready with me for Instagram reels and stuff over here. This was around $130. I've had it for a few years. As far as I know, it's still available. I keep linking it every couple months, every time I share my room on here. But this is one of my favorite items that I found on Amazon because it's also like a neutral champagne color. It's a really big mirror for sure, and it also comes on a stand, which I love, and then you could also hang it onto the wall. So I have this over here. Everything that is still available I'll link below, but I have it over here right next to my door. Here I just have like a small closet, and then the majority of my clothes is over here, but I have just like a small closet with some of my winter clothes, pajamas, sweatpants, things like that. The front door or door to my room, and then over here we have my desk, which I love this whole little setup. I have a pink desk. I was debating whether I wanted to get this desk in white or pink. I'm so happy that I got it in pink. I thought it might look like a little bit cheesy in pink, or a little like, I don't know, a little cheaper, but I actually really like the way it looks. It was around $250, something like that. Really awesome quality. I had to assemble it myself, but I did it in like 2 hours. Really awesome quality. It was from Joss & Main. I'll link it below. Comes in a few different colors, and I believe it also comes in like nightstands, smaller tables. I really love the gold details of the legs, and then this little like space in between. I really like that aesthetic. It kind of gives me like a 70s vibe for sure, and it also comes in a few different colors and styles. So really love this desk. The drawers are also really deep, hold a lot of products. I have like a lot of my electronics in there. And then this chair is also from Amazon. I mentioned it in a recent home favorites. I sit in this chair all day long. Super comfy. Comes in a ton of different colors as well, and it's all pretty affordable too. So I love this little setup. I have my Chanel sign. I've had that for a few years too. This sign is from Wayfair. My lamp, just a random lamp I've had for several years from Home Goods. The pampas grass, $20 Amazon. Like a $5 vase from IKEA that I absolutely love, and this little tray, and my sunglasses also are all from Amazon. Really love that. I always have that in the back of my videos. I actually just moved it here just to kind of fill this space, so you guys can see it all like with the same aesthetic, but I really love that. I will link it all below. My little fig tree is from Amazon. The planter is from World Market. I have a few of these and I love these planters so much. I had a real fig, but it died because I don't know, it was doing great for like 6 months, and then the leaves slowly started falling off. no matter what I did, giving it humidity, steam, water, nutrients, whatever, it was not working. So I have a fake plant for now. When I move, I would like to get some new real plants and try to maintain them, hopefully. But for now, the fake one will do, all from Amazon. Link it below. I have my IKEA Alex drawers. I don't know if I plan on moving with these. I don't like the look. I wish this was a dresser instead of the drawers. I would like to kind of declutter. I have a bunch of PR, skincare, stuff like that, things that I want to pass along to some people. Some of my lipsticks are in here. I also have all of my nail products, jewelry in here as well. They're all full with just like a bunch of stuff. Like I have like my random tax documents in here as well too. So it's makeup, skincare, nails, my jewelry, and then just random stuff. But then over here, this was actually like a 2-piece planter set. I have this plant that has been going strong. This is real, for over a year. I will link these planters below. They come together. And then over here I have just a bunch of like my everyday lipsticks. This, I don't know, I feel a little weird having like a photo of myself in my room. I feel like it's a little extra, but this was beautiful. That was given to me at a Vegamore event 2 years ago. The placemats for our brunch were these paintings of us. They had a painter do these ahead of time, and they were our placemats. And I thought that was like so beautiful and so special. So I definitely wanted to keep it and frame it. I don't know if I necessarily want it on display in my office, but I have it there for now. This like double little storage thing for skincare and stuff is also from Amazon. This little planter is from Amazon. I honestly bought this and I thought it was gonna be the same size. I did not read the description. I thought it was gonna be the same size, but obviously it is. Like, here you guys can see for reference, it's tiny. That always happens to me with like some things on Amazon are hit or miss, but it ended up there. I have some eye patches over here. A birthday candle. This is just from the company called Birthday Candles. It's a really great gift if you need like a last minute gift for somebody or just something personal. They have obviously every single day of the year you can gift to somebody in your life. These little trays are also from Amazon. Just some skincare products in here. I just have some Rollerball perfumes. And then over here I have my glam box that has a bunch of skincare. I have my everyday skincare in my bathroom, but in here I have like face masks, extra moisturizers, like overnight mask in here, sheet masks, all of that in here. I'm definitely going to have to do a big declutter of some older products when I move. And then up top we have these mirrors that I got at Target like in 2013, like right after I graduated college. I've had these as decor in my room for almost a decade. And then over here I have this lamp and this little coffee table, both from Amazon. I've been getting a ton of furniture from Amazon, a lot more affordable furniture, especially since I've been renting this entire time. We're planning on getting a lot of investment furniture when we move, like couches that we definitely want to keep forever. Stuff like that. But for now, I've just had like a lot of like more cheaper Amazon, Target furniture since I've just been renting all of my, well, I guess I'm 30 now, but all of my 20s. So this lamp from Amazon, I will link below. It's actually a really nice price and I love it. It's just a little short, I will say that. If you wanted something that was like a really big lamp for your room, if you can tell, this one is a little bit shorter, but gorgeous lamp. Love this little marble, fake marble table. Very affordable on Amazon as well. I have some hydrangeas. I've been buying hydrangeas. I say that weird, but I'm not gonna say it again. I've been buying them every week. $5.99 Trader Joe's. I see Jackie Ina posting about them on TikTok all the time, and that I used to buy roses, which were double the price. But I think these look like more luxurious and they are a lot cheaper and they last way longer than roses. So I love that, especially for spring. I feel like they're super like fresh, clean looking. And then over here I have my gallery wall from Decenio. I did a whole DIY gallery wall video last year. basically just a bunch of random prints that I felt like suited my personality. Just some abstract prints, florals. I really like this picture because it reminds me of a picture that I took in Spain a few years ago. I really liked this picture over here because for some reason it reminded me of Rosalia, who is one of my favorite singers. Then we have like a perfume bottle, just kind of like beauty related things, just very neutral for sure. I might change this out when I move. I really like the gallery wall, but I might change out a few of the prints to make it even more neutral depending on how I end up decorating the space. Over here, I love this little setup. This little ottoman, I actually usually move it to under my desk and use it as a footrest while I'm working. But I really like it. It's from Wayfair a couple years ago. I'll try to link it if it's still available. I don't remember where the chair is from, but I think I have the link to it and I'll link it below. All of these things are fairly affordable. Like I think the chair was like $250, super, super comfy. This throw blanket, super amazing, on Amazon, around $30. Comes in a ton of different colors. Love it. This throw pillow is from Target. I'm gonna back up so you guys can get like a visual of this side of the room, which I love. My rug is from Ruggable. I just did like a sponsorship with them and I absolutely love this rug so much. This is machine washable. It's one of those rugs, like it's very thin and then it has like a mat underneath so that it stays in place to the ground. My dogs love to sleep on this, and then you could just throw it in the wash and like super, super easy, just a normal load of laundry. They have a ton of different sizes and I feel like it completely made the room. Back here we have on top of this windowsill, I didn't want to do any curtains or anything. I feel like this looks a little plain, especially on camera. It looks kind of dull. But because there's like a window ledge up here, I couldn't do a curtain in my room. So I ended up doing planters up here. I DIY'd these planters with some spray paint, some textured spray paint. And then this planter comes in a set of two. The other one is in my beauty room. And I will link it. It's also from Amazon. Really, really love these planters. It looks a little plain on camera, like it looks kind of yellowish, but it's actually really pretty in person. And then back here we have my closet. We're kind of back where we started. This planter is also from World Market. Amazing planters, around $60, I believe. This bird of paradise is real and I really love it. I'm gonna get some more of them because it seems to be like the one plant that is large that I've kept alive, because some of the other ones, like I had a palm plant, a monstera that I really struggled with, but this birds of paradise I've had since like October. I barely water it. It just stays in my room and I move it around my room sometimes when I'm filming if I want it as a backdrop, and it stays really nice. So I haven't had any issues with it. The lighting changed a little bit, so maybe you can see that the planters actually look kind of cute. And then over here, this closet set is actually from Wayfair. I originally really wanted the IKEA pack system, but for the last several months, it's been sold out or unavailable for delivery, unavailable in the store. So I ended up going with basically the exact same thing from Wayfair, but let me tell you, it was a whole situation because there's actually supposed to be 3 pieces. This side that has my shoes, there's supposed to be a second one, but that piece was damaged in delivery. I happened to order it during a week where there was like a lot of rain and storms and stuff, so I think it got damaged in that. And then it was like out of stock for maybe 2 months. Long story short, I was able to get this for free because it's actually missing a third of the system. So that was good because the whole thing would have been about $1,200. I wanted the whole thing, but I'm stuck with 2, and it's actually worked out really nicely. I think it looks great. The actual system, if you're interested in it, is amazing, amazing quality. I just particularly had an issue with my specific order that got damaged and then it was back ordered. So I'm like, I don't want to wait months to get the full thing. So I ended up just sticking with the 2, and I was so happy that I was able to get it for free since I didn't get the full product. But I made it work, and it holds so much of my clothes. I'll show you guys like a look into how I've been storing my clothes. I have my little Chanel book up there that I got for Christmas. But basically I have all of my neutral shoes. I've kind of reassessed my wardrobe, and I have been doing this whole thing where I just keep a very neutral wardrobe where all of my items go together. It's made it super easy for me to style items and everything like that. I have all of my summer shoes up here. That's basically all of my shoes that I have in general at this point. I have everything kind of color coordinated with whites, neutrals, blacks. This one I can kind of clean up a little bit, but I have a lot of like blazers, jackets over here. My knee-high boots, more casual boots, sneakers, sandals. Over here I have belts. It's a little disorganized since I just got back from a weekend trip, but jeans, and I just kind of stuffed everything in here. Pants, like neutral pants, and then down here I have like sets, like loungewear sets. So that's basically been super helpful for me to be able to wear way more of my clothes and mix and match things and just have like a bunch of basic neutral items that I can style a bunch of different ways. But that is basically a look into my whole office. I hope you enjoyed seeing a look into how I styled everything. I will link everything that I mentioned below. If something happens to be sold out, I will link a similar item, but most items should be in stock because I got them all. Most items, since I moved in October, I've basically been furnishing this room. So most things should be in stock, and I'll link it below. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you want to see like a full house tour. It's nothing super decorated like this because we stopped decorating once we kind of realized we were gonna be starting the process of looking for a house and moving. So I never really fully finished this house, but if you're interested in seeing that, I am happy to share in the next month or so. But that's gonna be everything for today's video. If you guys liked it, make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll talk to you guys soon in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.